Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Rufus and UNetbootin, two popular tools for creating bootable USB drives, to help you decide which one is right for your needs in 2025. If you're installing operating systems, troubleshooting computers, or just looking for a reliable bootable USB tool, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech guides and comparisons. Let's start with Rufus. Rufus is fast, lightweight, and highly customizable. It works with BIOS and UEFI systems, supports Windows, Linux, and live USBs, and lets you choose partition schemes like MBR or GPT. Advanced users can tweak formatting options, file systems, and cluster sizes for complete control. Rufus is free and open source, making it a trusted tool for both beginners and tech-savvy users. Now, let's look at UNetbootin. UNetbootin is great for cross-platform use, running on Windows, macOS, and Linux. It lets you create bootable USB drives for Linux distributions or system utilities. Its interface is simple and straightforward, which makes it beginner-friendly. However, UNetbootin doesn't offer the advanced customization options that Rufus provides, and it can be slower when writing larger ISO files. So which one should you choose? If you want speed, advanced control, and full flexibility, Rufus is the clear winner, especially for Windows users or anyone managing multiple OS installations. If you value cross-platform support and simplicity, UNetbootin is a solid choice, particularly for Linux users or beginners who want a straightforward tool without many options. In short, Rufus shines for speed and power, while UNetbootin is great for simplicity and cross-platform compatibility. Your choice depends on whether you want full control or an easy-to-use tool that works on multiple operating systems. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need a bootable USB tool, and subscribe for more tech comparisons and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.